Namaskar. Welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In this lesson, we are going to learn Ganesh Kautukam part 4. Before this, there are 3 parts. So I'm going to link that playlist over here and in the description box below. So it will be easy for you to learn. So we ended up in this position. From here, we are going to do the phrase Tom kita kita taki Devaka Ganapati Dikkita kita taki Dikkita Ganapati Kautukam Tatra Vinayakam Ganapati Kautukam Tatra Vinayakam. This is the whole part. So we are going to start with the left hand and we are going to do period. So we are going to sit in Aramandi position and tai kat tai hi tai tai did tai diagonal. So from here Devaka Ganapati we are going to stand in Samavada position. Chatura hasta like you are touching the feet. Devaka Ganapati joining your hands. Okay, now I am going to turn and go diagonally back left with my right hand in period. Okay, so tai kat tai hi tai tai did tai. Now here Ganapati Kautukam. So we are going to show Kapitha right and left down like that. Okay, so Kapitha both the hands and take the position. So from here tai tai did tai Ganapati Kautuk. From here we are going to place the right foot forward and left join in Samavada position in Aramandi position. Okay, and Kapitha nearby you here like that. So for Ganapati Kautukam we are going to do Ganapati Kautukam. Now Tatra Vinayakam. So I'm going to put my foot on Suchi and stand and put your leg up and then again Suchi replace. Okay, we are going to do Tatra Vinakam 4 times, so you will end up on your left foot. So the whole thing will look like this. Tom kita kita taki Devaka Ganapati Dikkita kita taki Dikkitonga Ganapati Kautuka Tatra Vinakam. Okay, now from here again the phrase repeats Ganapati Kautukam. For that we are going to do did tai with your right foot back. Swastika did tai. While doing this, we are going to use the upper body movement vertically. So we are going to go a little bit back. Did tai. While doing this, we are going to use Pasha and Ankusha. Okay, so first here, then did tai, and repeat the same movement. Tatra Vinakam. So this is the whole part. Now with this coming phrase, we have reached towards the end. So it's going to start from the half of the Tal cycle. So Adi Tal's half cycle from here. Okay, so it's going to start Okkudu Tam, Okkudu Din, Taku Diku Ta Kita Tongita Kita Taki Tam Tangi Kita Taki Diku Tam Tatta Tam. So the adavus which we are going to use is with your foot. Tai did tai did tai. Okay, so okkudu tam okkudu din. Now taku diku ta kita. We are going to jump right and left. So for that I'm going to put my left hand up, right hand nearby my chest, and I'm going to jump towards my right. Taku and left, switch it. Diku. Okay, ta ki ta. Join the 5th metado first half. So the whole thing will look like this. Okkudu tam Okkuduti, ta, ku, di, ku, ta, ki, ta. Now from here, tongita kitataki, tai, tai, didi, tai. For this, we are going to go front, tai, tai, didi, tai, straight. So, tai, tai, didi, tai. So the whole phrase will look like this again. Hokkuduta, hokkuduti, ta, kutti, kuta, ki, ta, tongita kitataki. From this point, we are going to use tai tai didi tai ta, tai tai didi tai ta, tai tai didi tai. This is the phrase. Okay. So with right, back swastika, tai tai didi tai ta. Pick up your left, tai tai didi tai. Pick up your right, tai tai didi tai ta. That's it. Now, with your right, again, we are going to show the ear, and with left, we are going to show the trunk. Okay, but this time we are going to show it to the side, not diagonal. So it's going to be dannu tangi kitataki dekku tam tak tak tam. So we are just going to use the upper body movement for this. So tai tai didi tai ta, tai tai didi tai ta, tai tai didi tai. Now let's do this whole part with the bowls. Okkudutam, okkudutim, ta, kuti, kuta, kita, tongita kitataki dhannu tangi, kitataki tekkutam tattatam. I hope you like this video. If you like it, do subscribe and share with your dancer friends so they can have the benefit of learning it. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.